Holy crap. I've never seen that before.
Yeah, that's gonna suck. Dump your load, make the call, get out of the truck. That's how it goes.
Take a picture. That sounds cool.
I'm recording it.
That load right in the street, that's freaking off. It's out now.
That's gonna smell. Yes.
Yeah, instead of burning the truck down.
Yeah. Or we could just go ahead and throw the fire out in the street.
This is going on YouTube. Oh, it's going to be in the middle of the street, just...
No. Yep, that's a better place.
Yeah, it's just going to go up in flames.
Oh my God!
And he pulls away.
No
Oh, he's
way.
pulling them. Yeah.
Now, if he gets out with a fire extinguisher, I'm going to laugh my ass off.
What's that? A little... You taking pictures? What's he doing?
Making sure nothing else is in his truck.
It is.
And nothing's on fire.
Oh, now he's grabbing a fire extinguisher. Like, that's going to do a damn thing to that. That thing's already fully
Poor
engulfed.
guy.
That's what you do. And the truck's still on fire. That's what he's going to attempt to. He's going to try to get that truck taken care of.
Holy, this can't be good.
It's got to smell good.
That's got to smell awful.
Like it already doesn't smell bad enough.
Alright. Yeah, burning diapers.
So everybody, I love how everybody in here is... Are you taking video?
Yeah.
I'm going to post it on YouTube.
Oh my God.
Poor guy.
Yeah, that does suck.
This day just got a lot longer.
Yeah, the...
This is Friday. It's gonna take a lot more than that.
You guys will pee on
God, the cleanup on this? Oh.
Oh, he's like, forget it. Forget it.
I don't think he's going to have enough in that tank to...
Not enough fire extinguishers.
Should we call someone?
It looks like he's doing it right now.
That's the very first thing.
No, he's probably posting a video to YouTube also.
Oh, he's calling his dispatch.
Aww. Get a cleanup crew. Fire. Panther Parkway.
See, the sad thing is they're going to have to spread that trash all over to get the fire out.
Cover it out.
PA's be out here.
So what happened? It just spontaneously?
All of a sudden, I look out and I see flames coming out the top of his truck. And I see him breathing his back door, and I'm like, uh-oh. He's got hydraulics in there and everything. Oh, he's going to try to scrape it out. Oh, dude, don't do that.
Oh.
That's fire.
Ed's like, I better move my car.
Yeah, that's exactly what he's doing.
Yeah.
He's moved his car.
Move the car, move the car.
Wow.
That's the guy that parks over at the Schneider parking lot. I bet you he's just like static.
Something's happening.
Probably an issue with the right.
That's why you should put your cigarette butts out.
Wow, that thing is fully engulfed.
That should go pretty quick too.
Yep.
Burn out pretty fast.
It looks like a big old pile of leaves that I want to jump in.
You should go do that immediately. I'll give it a minute.
Alright, that's enough for YouTube.
Recording.